Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to discuss a topic about finding the main idea, making inferences, drawing conclusions, and summarizing. Well, it is a very interesting topic to discuss, isn't it? Okay, let's go now. Let us first talk about main idea. Ladies and gentlemen, the main idea of a paragraph is different from the topic. Let us make the differences between the two. Let's begin with the topic first. Topic is what the paragraph is about. There are actually two kinds of topic: the general topic and the specific topic. Now let us go to the main idea. Main idea is different with topic because main idea is what the author says about the subject. Why might readers have difficulty identifying the main idea of a passage? As we may probably know that lots of readers have difficulty when they try to identify the main idea of a passage. Let us see the reason how this happened. Main idea. The first thing that we need to know so that we can analyze the main idea of a passage would be we have to know the theory of main idea first. Main idea stated at the end of a passage, and it can also be stated within of a passage. Also, it implied within the passage, and it can also be stated at the beginning of a passage. So it is clear that main idea can be found at the beginning of the passage, at the end of a passage, stated within passage, or even implied within the passage. What are some strategies for identifying the main idea of a passage? Well, we will see kinds of strategies that we can use to identify the main idea of a passage. Main idea formula. Topic: what author says about topic. Author's purpose. Then we can find main idea. This means that we can find main idea when we know what author says about the topic and the author's purpose. To find the main idea of a paragraph or passage, ask yourself, what is the most important point the author wants me to understand about the topic? The main idea is the most general statement about the topic. People differ in numerous ways. They differ according to physical characteristics such as height, weight, and hair color. They also differ in personality. Some people are friendly and easygoing, others are more reserved and formal. Which is the most general statement? At the beginning of the paragraph. Beginning a new job is always exciting and sometimes intimidating. There is an invigorating feeling of a fresh start and a clean slate. You face new challenges and draw on a new sense of energy as you approach them. But you may also feel apprehensive. We can clearly see the main idea of this paragraph is located at the beginning of the paragraph. At the end of paragraph, most Anglo-Americans, for instance, see the extensive family obligations of Hispanics as a burdensome arrangement that inhibits individual freedom. Hispanics, in contrast, view the isolated nuclear family of Anglo-Americans as a lonely institution that cuts people off from the love and assistance of their kin. This tendency to view one's own cultural patterns as good and right, and those of others as strange or even immoral, is called ethnocentrism. Within the paragraph, here is the examples of the main idea that is located within the paragraph. Jim always seems to score well on tests. How does he do it? Jim offers these tips for successful studying. The first step is to decide what to study. Find out what topics will be covered on the test. Next, organize your notes and other materials on these topics. Third, make study guides to use as memory aids. Your final step is to review your notes and study guides until you feel confident about taking the test. We can clearly see the main idea of this paragraph is located within the paragraph. Finding the stated main idea. When we try to find the stated main idea, there are 3 steps. First, locate the topic. Second, locate the most general sentence or thesis, if there is one. We can see this by check topic sentences. Topic sentence first, usually. Topic sentence last, second in frequency. Topic sentence in the middle. And topic sentence first and last. Last is the emphasis. The third one, study the details. All the sentences in a paragraph must relate or support or explain the main idea. Inferring unstated main ideas. Sometimes main idea need to be inferred because it is not clearly seen from the paragraph. How can we do this? First, we can find the topic first. Second, decide what the writer wants you to know about the topic. After that, we can consider the author's purpose or perspective on the topic. And the last one is to express this idea in your own word. Making inferences and drawing conclusions. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we go into the new chapters of making inferences and drawing conclusions. How can we do this? First, reading between the lines. Second, using clues from the text to figure out what the author is trying to get across. Third, some ideas are not stated directly in the text. You have to draw your own conclusions about what is going on. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that would be the end of this material. I really hope you enjoy this material, and I really hope this will help you to understand how to find the main idea of a paragraph and how to make inferences and drawing conclusions. Thank you very much for your attention. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the end of our discussion for today. I really hope you enjoy the material. I really hope that you enjoy the presentation. I'd like to thank you very much and all the best for all of you. And be healthy.